I shift to another level, so if you are a believer, you must have what we call a desire. Achieve in his spiritual life. So you must have what you call a desire, so that you can move from one divine place to another divine place. Hallelujah. Amen. So what you need to have what you call you need to have desire. Hallelujah. Because a man with a desire is a man with a vision. A man without a desire is a man without a vision. So if you want to be a man that has a desire, if you want to achieve your vision, you must first have a desire. I desire to be used by God. I desire to be a worshiper. I desire to play a different sound. I desire to serve the Lord. I desire to be a businesswoman. I desire to be a whatsoever that you want in your life. You need first to have a desire of it. Desire into akekwazi kuba the purpose. Amen. Because desires, they give birth to a vision. Because what I have, I'm longing to achieve this. I'm longing for God.